The MPress clamshell-style heat press transfer machine is manufactured around the idea that the best quality components will produce durable, accurate, and affordable machines. If you are new to heat pressing or looking to start your own heat transfer business, the MPress heat press transfer machine is the solution for you. Let's take a look at some of the features that set this heat press apart. As soon as you open the box, you'll notice the durable build of the MPress. Strengthened steel and aluminum and reinforced connection points at the highest points of wear and tear give the MPress the ability to handle heavy-duty applications. The powerful clamp mechanism ensures complete end-to-end pressure and heating with minimal effort. The heat platen on the MPress is non-stick coated. In the event that transfer materials stick to the heating element, cleanup would be quick and easy. The cast-in heating element provides quick heating and maintains steady heat for longer periods of time. The MPress is controlled by an advanced digital computer gauge. When the heat press is turned on, the digital computer gauge will display the real-time temperature. Press the set button once to set the temperature. Press the set button again to set the time. Pressing the set button one more time will take you back to the real-time temperature. All heat presses sold by Heat Press Nation undergo extensive quality control procedures before they are shipped, and each unit comes with a 1-year parts and service warranty from the original date of purchase. The MPress is capable of completing a variety of heat transfer applications including digitally printed heat transfers, screen printed transfers, rhinestones, heat transfer vinyl, embroidery patches, direct-to-garment transfers, sublimation, and much more. The MPress heat press transfer machine is the most professional-grade heat press you'll find at an entry-level price, and it is offered in 4 sizes: 9x12, 15x15, 16x20, and 16x24. Whether you are starting a business or looking to expand your current business, we are confident that the MPress heat press transfer machine will exceed every expectation of an economical heat press.